Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are done with the pairing with the ZD3 Plus smartwatch. So we use the iOS application. Okay, we use our iPhone to pair it with this smartwatch, the ZD3 Plus smartwatch. So this time we are going to check on the available watch faces for this smartwatch. So far, it is already preloaded with several watch faces. This one, we have the analog watch face. So let's check the other watch faces here. We have here digital, I think animated. Okay, so how many watch faces do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have at least 9 watch faces. So you can add more, or you can replace other watch faces here with the help of the support app. Okay, so let's head to our support app here, the ZD3 application. So in our device, okay, so in the dashboard, tap on device. Then we have here, obviously, we have my watch face. So tap on it. It will load the available watch face for your smartwatch. Okay, so let's try and download a watch face for our ZD3 Plus smartwatch. We'll just make it quick. Okay, so let's try this one. So tap on it, and here, okay, watch face push. So let's try. So after pushing the dial, the watch will restart after a short time. Please be patient. So we have here 70, 80, and we have successfully downloaded the watch face. Very fast. Okay, so no other issues at all. Okay, let's see if we do have a custom watch face. Do we have? Okay, seems like we don't have a custom watch face here, but we do have a lot of free watch faces for your smartwatch. Okay, let's see if we have additional watch face. Okay, long press. Okay, so it added one watch face. Okay, I'm looking for the custom watch face section. Seems like we don't have a custom watch face here, but it has a comprehensive list of watch faces. Okay, I like this. Let's look for a much brighter, okay, simpler watch face. Bright watch face, I think. Okay, let's look here. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, tap on it and watch face push. Okay, it's downloaded automatically and very fast so far. Okay, we're done. As you can see, beautiful looking watch face here. Okay, let's go back again. Let's see if we do have a custom. Okay, we have here the first page, or first, okay, column or row of the watch faces. Okay, so let's tap on the custom watch face. Okay, so we can use here, I think, camera, or you can take a photo or select from the album. We'll select from the album. Okay, so I have here select the watch face here. Okay, then tap on confirm. I don't want to use my personal photos, so just this one, a photo of the street. Okay, then watch face push. So there's no way, or there's no option to edit the text here, or color, or the font. Okay, it's fixed. So I think you have to select a much darker background if you want to have a custom watch face. The color here for the text is white, so there's no option to change. Okay, so tap on watch face push. There's no option also for cropping the photos. And we'll see. Okay, I'm impressed with the downloading of the watch face here, very fast compared to other applications. And we have the custom watch face. Okay, so that's it. Okay, very simple. Okay, although the list of watch faces here is comprehensive, okay, we don't have, it's not categorized, and we don't have an option here for editing your custom watch face, just a fixed time and date here. Okay, but it has a lot of free watch faces. I think for the rectangular watch faces or smartwatch, it has a lot of options. I think much better compared to the circular smartwatches. Okay, so that's it for our quick view or quick step-by-step guide in installing or downloading the watch face for our ZD3 Plus smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video tutorial, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.